rarely it happens?
But usually this month started, sir. Till previous month it was okay, but this month it's frequently power goes off, sir.
Why do you think it's happening like this?
The electricity production was lowered, I think.
Okay, or is it because of summer? People have started using AC and all those things, power shortage?
Yes, sir. Because of scarcity of water,
Okay.
so
Okay.
that.
Okay. So hopefully it will not affect us much, because yesterday entire Karnataka, apart from Sumena who logged in for a brief while, there was no Karnataka participant, and she also had less what do you call battery backup. So I told her, it's your wish. If you want to continue, you can, or else if you want to log off, you can. Right. So so hopefully that will not happen, because we have almost another how many weeks? 4 weeks apart from this one. So hopefully that is a bad thing which will not happen again. Hopefully. Okay. Brilliant. And let's check with Bhavya as well. Bhavya, how about you?
Sir?
You know the question, what we are asking?
No, sir.
Okay, you don't know. Where were you? Okay. The question is like, what are your shift timings? When do you start and when do you complete? Usually what time it gets over?
At 9 o'clock, I logged in, sir. There is
Okay.
no time for logout.
Okay.
It will be night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
Okay. Okay. And what process do you do? What kind of work do you do?
Sir, Zomato process, sir.
Zomato process. Okay, fine. Vinaya is having good laugh whenever somebody is saying someone is extending the shift and all. Okay, brilliant. So let's carry on. So I'm sure Rashmi is on the task in terms like finding out with the participants. Okay, so but again, hopefully she will check, because I don't want to do something where other participants will be missing the thing. So what I can do is that why not we start with our. Was there any task given, Shushma, today apart from the what do you call vocabulary building words? Was there any task which was given?
I don't know, sir. Yesterday I was absent.
Okay, you were not there. That's a good question. I'm sorry I asked you this one. I should have asked Aarti. Aarti, what were the 3 sentences given yesterday?
Aspects, exposure, reiterate.
Okay, can you type this words in the chat box so others can also note? Can you do that, please? Okay, so she's going to type this particular word. This will be for our vocabulary, right? So she will do that. And also, Sumena, for you, right, unfortunately, that day the power went off, so you couldn't do your free speech. We will give an opportunity, don't worry, because you are one of the regular participants. Unfortunately, it happened that particular day. I think you did the free speech. It was about your assessment. So we are working out something where we will give you an assessment. Of course, the questions will not be the same. Questions will be a different set of questions. So so don't worry about that. So you will get your assessment. Okay. So that's something I just wanted to keep you posted about that. If anybody else as well, because of some issue or something, and they missed this assessment, we can definitely have it again done for you. Okay, great, Sumena. So, so if you can see, these are the words which has been typed by Aarti Jaya. So you can make a note of that. I can also explain these words. And Aarti Jaya, since you are the only participant, Bhavya, you were here yesterday as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So I request both of you to type your sentences, and at least with, you both, Aarti and Jaya, and rest of the other participants, we will come back. Maybe I can explain the word to them. Okay. So, so what is the first word? What do you mean by exposure? Anyone? 3 of you, Sumena, Vinaya, and Shushma. What do you think, exposure? Have you heard this word before somewhere?
Yes, sir. Displaying or showing something.
Absolutely. Display or showing something or exposing someone, right? Like you exposed all the secrets of your friends, right? You exposed. Like a TV channel exposes the corruption often done by a politician, exposing, right? So, or else how you can do, I expose myself to extreme chill weather and I got cold. So these are the way how we can make expose. So expose is one word for three of you, Sumaina, Vinaya and Shushma. Expose is that exposure can become expose. As I said, the words could be changed. The form of the words can be changed. So no two ways about that. So exposure is like three words which I made today. She secretly exposed all the secrets of her friend. One, it could be I exposed myself to extreme cold and I fell ill. So that could be another word. Another thing is that exposure is that what did I say? The channel exposed the nexus between the politician and the businessman. So that is the exposure as well. So these three words I have made for exposure. And again, as I said, if you have any issues with the meaning and all, what you can do is that you can check it out on the web. You will be able to do that. So the next part is aspects. So what is aspect? Aspect is like, what is aspect? Have you heard about aspect, this particular word? Okay.
I heard, sir, but I don't know how to explain.
Do you know Hindi?
Thoda thoda.
Okay, in Hindi you will be able to explain or explain some in Kannada. I'll take somebody's help to explain it to me.
I think needable things, maybe.
Okay, I couldn't hear. Did anybody hear what she said?
Needable things, she said.
Needable things.
Yeah.
Okay. See, aspects is maybe not needable things. Good try, Sumaina. Aspect is like features of something or parts of something, or could be right. So let me tell you, what are the good aspects of him? Right? What are the good aspects of him? Meaning, what are the good qualities of him? Features of him? Right? So that could be one. So like, or what English language has 4 aspects to it: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. That's the best example I can give you. So what are the parts? What are the qualities? What are the features? That is what it is, right? So one of his very good aspect is that he's always punctual. So that is also a quality. This smartphone has fantastic aspects, but maybe you don't use there. So probably for that we can do something else. And another aspect is like the aspect of our life is that sometime you're happy and sometime it takes you down. So aspect, it's like a cycle, right? So I have explained this particular word as well. Great. So we have one more participant who joined us. So hopefully there will be more, right? So we will go to Aarti Jaya or rather Vinaya J in a minute. Okay, what is the last word? Reiterate. Have you heard about this particular word? Reiterate. Okay, fine. Aarti Jaya, explain what is reiterate to the participants. It's a good thing. I should have done with the yesterday's attendees. Can you do that, Aarti Jaya?
So to say something again and again.
Absolutely. To say something again and again, right? So what is something can be done? Vinaya J. Shetty is saying, today my mobile is not working. So how you have logged in? You've logged in from your laptop or something? How you're logged in? Anyway, if you can stay connected, that will be great, Vinaya. Okay, so reiterate is that keep saying something again and again. Like we say to kids, no, when they go to park, hey, be careful, right? So you might fall, right? So what we are doing, again and again we are saying, at one point of time, your kid will say, dad or mom, enough, I'll take care of myself. So what you're doing is reiterating. So let me make some sentences for that. The class teacher reiterated the importance of revision, meaning revision is very important. Reiterate the importance of revision. The teacher said, before you submit, let me reiterate. The teacher said, let me reiterate, before you submitting your question paper, please go through the answers again. Maybe you would have missed one of the answers. So what you're doing, you're reiterating. Hard work, the efforts, the importance of hard work cannot be reiterated more in our life. Meaning, I can't say anything more. Meaning, I can't reiterate more. Hard work is one important facet of our particular life. So reiterate is repeating again and again. Aspect is maybe features and those kind of a thing, right? Exposure is they expose something. Okay, fantastic. So we will hear these particular words from you. So let's go to Aarti Jaya first. She has typed her sentences. Aarti, yes, please explain your words, what you have typed.
So first, exposure.
Okay.
This is the best platform to exposure our English speaking skill.
Okay, so this is the best platform to get exposed. How about get exposed? So exposure will become exposed. EXPOCED. This is the best platform to exposure will not come to get exposed to our English speaking skills. Got it? You can make this particular change.
Okay. Second aspects.
Okay.
Experience from our mistakes will teach the aspects of life.
Experience from our mistakes will teach. Experience from our mistakes will teach. Or experience from our mistake is one of the aspects of our life. Or to learn from, experience from our mistakes. Experience from our mistake is one of the aspects of our life. You can say like that. Experience from our mistakes is one of the important aspects of our life. You can do like that. I've just made some modification where your sentence would look even better, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, what's the next one?
Reiterate.
Yeah.
The poet reiterated to every woman to be bold and independent.
The poet reiterated to every woman. The poet reiterated to every woman to be bold and independent. The poet reiterated to, instead of every woman, the poet reiterated to all the women. How about every woman? You can say all the women, right? The poet reiterated to all the women to be bold and independent. Got it? So every will not come. Every will have to be removed. All the women can be done.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Great effort, Aarti Jaya, because you're putting this efforts in terms of creating this particular thing on your own, which is very, very clear. So that is fabulous. Fantastic. Okay, so let's go to Bhavya Bhatt. Yes, Bhavya, what are the sentences? Can you read them for us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Exposure.
Yeah.
His last film got so much exposure in the press.
His last film got so much exposure in the press. His last film got so much exposure in the press. Okay, fantastic. Very good. Yes, what's the next one?
Aspects.
Okay.
We must try various aspects of life.
We must try various aspects of our life. Simple one, fantastic one. What's the next one?
Reiterate.
Yeah.
Teacher told, reiterate the words which I have told now.
Okay. See, the word is reiterate. Okay, say that again. Reiterate.
Reiterate.
Reiterate. Okay, if you have any difficulty in pronouncing, always go to Google pronunciation, put the word, it will say that word for you. The lady will say the word for you. Right? So it's reiterate. So teacher told to reiterate. Teacher told reiterate the words which I have told now. Okay. Teacher told to reiterate the words which I have told. Teacher told to reiterate. Teacher told to reiterate the words. Okay. Okay. Teacher told to reiterate the instruction which was given. So this sentence is slightly not making meaning. Teacher told to reiterate the words which I have told now. Okay. Teacher told to reiterate the words which I have told now. Okay, fine. That's fair enough. Okay, fine. So I really don't know what do you mean, but it's okay as long as I really don't understand what you're trying to say here. So as long as again you have made your sentences, that's fine. And one thing, Bhavya, you have to keep in mind when you start. See this when you write here. No, you write in a proper grammar way, in the sense like how you will write in an exam, right? So I can correct you as well. Like you start aspect. So you started with W, the small one. So it will not come. The W will be a capital W. Okay. Another thing is that teacher told reiterate. So reiterate in between will not be a caps. It will be a small letter. So these are the things I have made. Fantastic, Bhavya. It's good. Fantastic. You are joining regularly. That's a great thing. And you will get benefited. So that's the best thing what you're doing now. Great. So Vinay J. Shetty, I see that you have logged in. Very good evening. How are you today? What happened to the power in Karnataka yesterday?
Sorry, sir. I am in outside today. And my mobile is not working. So I am in
Oh.
bus.
You're in bus. Okay. So it's good that you've connected with us. So stay connected. Okay, so that's really appreciate that you're getting connected. So you hopefully you will be able to join with us tomorrow. So that will be great. Okay, brilliant. And also I also feel like Rashmi, no, see Rashmi has created a kind of a group for all of you, correct? If suppose one day you're not there, she is also giving the words. Right, so that those words it's there, but if you don't understand the meaning, but those words are there, yeah, it will be, if possible, if you have time, you can make the sentences for that as well. Okay, great. So Rashmi, is there anybody else who will be able to join us today? Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Rashmi. Thank you very much. Right. So let's carry on with what we are doing. Right. So we will, we have to do our lesson plan. So let's do one more lesson plan for today. Right. So we carry our thing, and then I'll also give you 3 more words. Okay. Don't think these are too much words and all. Right. So this will build up your vocabulary. This will help you in the long run. Right. I know. Somewhere down the line, if you're busy, you can always let me know, but at the end of the day, this is going to be just for another 4 weeks, and after that it will be all your work. But this is something which is giving you a lot of clue, lot of information and all, which will help you in the long run. Okay, great. So I also request those who can keep the camera on will be great. Otherwise, as I said, no, because it becomes very monotonous So now we all know what is monotonous for a, right? Monotonous is like it's very boring. Others can't see. So now you know this word. Everybody know what is the meaning of monotonous? Raise your hand. It came in the sentence as well. Everybody. Okay. So so this is a new word which we have. And similarly, Bhavya as well. If you can keep your camera on, that will be great. So others can see you, and the trainer can also see you and see the reactions and other things. Okay, great. Fabulous. So let me do this one particular thing, which is due for today. We will take this one, and then I'll give you some words which you can make sentences, right? So that will be something which I can do now. Okay, so okay, so we completed this particular slide. If you right, so we did complete this particular slide. We talked about the reading, right? So reading out loud as well, reading and reading out loud, right? So we completed this. We also spoke about the benefit of reading out loud. Okay. So one of these days, here and there, I will be doing revision, which you see. So I can do that for other participants as well. So everybody will be on the same page, right? So what is everybody on same page? What does it mean? Everybody on same page. I'm not giving this word for making sentence, so that it's a good one to know. Every one will be on the same page. What do you mean by that? So I can do a revision here and there so that everybody is on the same page. What do you mean by that? Just try. Even if it's wrong, it's fine. Give it a try. Okay. So everybody on the same page, meaning like Shushma, Bhavya, Aarti, Vinaya, Sumena, and other participants. And Vinaya J. Shetty as well. All other participants, we are on the same page. Meaning, we have the same understanding, right, of this particular subject. Meaning, if there are some slides which is being completed, so everybody have gone through this slide and everybody have understood that slides. So meaning we are on the same page. That's what it is. Okay, this is a good thing to know. So if you want to make a note of it, you can. But we are not making any sentence of this. Okay, so everyone will be on the same page, meaning everybody is at equal understanding about this particular subject. Okay, so the thing is that we completed the reading part. We spoke about the benefits of this particular thing. So we will do the only facet of this particular language which is left now is writing. Okay, so that is the only thing which is left now. Okay, so writing. So this is again a very, very important aspect of this particular language. And so let me quickly ask everybody, do you all get an opportunity to write in English one by one? So I'll ask Sumena first. Sumena, do you get an opportunity to write? If you write, how much do you write? In
Say
English.
what, sir?
Do you get an opportunity to write in English, maybe at office or maybe something which you have to write? Do you get an opportunity to write?
I will write, sir. How is possible to?
How it's possible? Maybe at work. Is it required?
Yes.
No?
No, sir. how much I am capable to write, I will write.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much. I go to Shushma. Shushma, do you understood the question? What's there in the question? The question is very simple. Do you get opportunity? All the participants, do they get opportunity to write? Maybe some of you might be writing at work. You never know. So this is a question. Do you get an opportunity to write?
No, sir, I didn't get.
Okay, you don't get any opportunity to write. So the only activity what we are doing is like typing in the chat box these sentences and reading, writing the words and the sentence in the notebook. Is that what you're saying?
No, sir. Writing like so many pages, all that.
Mm-hmm. Are you doing writing these pages every day, or when do you do?
Like, sir, writing means only sentences you have said.
No, my question is like, let me repeat because even Sumena couldn't understand. Do you get opportunity to write in English? If yes, how much do you get? Or maybe weekly once, or every day, or monthly once? So that's a question.
Okay, it doesn't matter how much quantity it is.
Absolutely.
Sir, only this one, sir. Sentence making.
Okay. Apart from that, when did you last write in English?
Last, I think my form was filled. I didn't remember which form it was. I think form was filled, sir.
Okay. Good that I asked this question. Long time ago, she filled the form. I don't know what form it is. Maybe the form to join the company or something.
I think something else.
Okay, something else. Okay. Thank you, Shushma. Sumena, do you understood the question now? Since Shushma has responded?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you said you don't get much opportunity to write, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have written my brother assignment. Assignment.
Okay. So that was one time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And so when was this? How long ago?
I think last month.
Last month. Okay. But one question, why do you write your brother's assessment? Why doesn't he write?
He told me to write, so please.
So he what do you call? He ordered you to write his assignment. Huh? So that is what you're doing.
No, sir, he requesting me.
He's requested. Okay, you are the elder sister requesting. Brother is requesting. Okay, Sumena. So now we have got. So apart from the brother assignment, it's been hardly when you wrote, right? Very rarely you have been writing. Correct? Okay, fine. Vinaya Pooja, I come to you.
Yes, sir.
Same question.
Only sentence making, sir.
Totally sentence making. Okay. She said with a smile. Okay, thank you very much. How about Bhavya? Bhavya, do you get opportunity to write?
Yes, sir. My MCOM assignments I will write.
What assignments?
MCOM correspondence.
Okay, so you are in touch with the writing. Okay, fantastic, Bhavya. So that keeps you in touch with the language. Plus. And Vinaya Pooja, you can go on mute. Thank you very much. So this question goes to Aarti now. Aarti, the same question to you.
So I'm writing daily, so it may assignment or exams, somewhat like blog, like this.
Oh, you are a student. So meaning writing in English we are talking about? We're talking about English, Aarti. So all these activities which you said English, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fabulous. So you are in touch. Okay, great. Thank you very much. So if you look at Bhavya, she is doing since correspondence her MCom, and Aarti is also a student. And other than that, if you look, see, let me also put my hand up. I also write very less, but only thing is that we have to send email, do something and all, we are writing. But writing as such in terms of a notebook, nobody does that. It's very rarely, unless and until Shushma said, you have to fill a form or you have to send something. Only then you write. Other than that, where do you write? We don't write at all. So that is a good habit or a bad habit? I believe it's a very, very bad habit we have gotten, because everything is into mobile. In mobile also you can send everything. Now, because few things. One is like it auto corrects you. So you start, you don't think too much from your thing. And also spelling, it gives you, right? Small spelling. Like for, if you give calculator to kid, to multiply 2 into 2 as well, then what will happen? Will the kid think from the brain? It will not. So small sometimes spelling and those kind of a thing, we completely lost touch because of the computer and everything. And some of you don't have opportunity to write at all. So some of you who have said is that the only time we are writing is that making this sentence, or maybe you're writing in a notebook and you're typing it here, right? So the point here I'm trying to make is that this is another very important facet or aspect of this particular language, right? So what is important here is that so let me tell you what are the important things which writing will help you in terms like how can it will help you in terms of improving your language. Let me tell you, right? Okay, so writing, all you need is a pen and paper. Everybody agree? Because writing is something you don't, it's not like sending an email or something where you need a laptop or a smartphone or something where you need to write. So you need even a pencil is fine. You don't need a pen as well, right? A pencil, good old times when a sheet of a paper, and this is, so writing is so simple. That's what they're trying to say, right? So now I understand in terms of work and other thing, we are busy, but let's also talk about something. Look 5 years after today, right? So what you're going to do in terms of to help your future, to help the language, to get better, right? So somewhere down the line, coming out of the comfort zone. So what you can do when you come out of the comfort zone is like you can practice, right? So we already spoke about what practice we can give in terms like your entertainment quotient. It could be the listening, where it could be a little bit more into English. So it could be speaking, where you have someone like Sumena said, she has her brother, so she can talk, or someone else have buddy whom they can talk in English. So this is like coming out of the comfort thing, right? And reading as well, right? So if you can do something where you are, if you're not able to do every day also, at least weekly once or twice, where we are reading it loud, it's helping your language, right? And writing, as you all said that, apart from those who are studying, and look, because they are doing it because they are studying, they are writing because they are studying, right? Sumena did an assignment not every day, one day, and other two candidates or participants, they said they are doing it because they are studying. After the studies is over, will they do? Maybe Aarti will do because she is into blogging and other things, she said, right? So somewhere down the line, if you are in touch, know what happens, that is improving, because when you're writing also, it is coming from your mind as well, right? Your thoughts as well. So that thoughts is getting penned down, right? So that is what is helping you, and that will build up your language. If you don't know something, if you're looking for some word, you will be able to search that word and write it. So this is again another very, very important skill which will help you, right? So these are the 4 aspects, right? So someone asks which part of your body is very important. All the part of the body is important, right? From eyes, ear, leg, hand, everything has got its own what do you call function. Similarly, the 4 facets of this particular language, if you want to become complete, let me use the word aspect. If you want to completely become, complete in all the aspect of the language, So this is also very important thing. right? So your focus can be onto listening and speaking, no two ways about that. But reading and writing can also be, if you're not doing much, that's fine. Not much as listening and speaking, that's fine, right? If you're doing a little bit less is also fine, but at least weekly once or weekly twice, wherever you get time, take a pen and paper, write something, take an article, read something. So this is all will help you. And I know at this point of time, you might be thinking about the task which we have on our hand. But look at after 6 months, look at after 1 year, look at after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, right? You have a great opportunity because you all are young in this particular batch, right? Most of you, I will not say all, most of you are very young. You have just started your career, so you have a long career ahead. And today's women, you also did that free speech, are very ambitious. Ambitious meaning what? So this could be another word which I can use it. Ambitious, very ambitious, because they want to come up in life. They want to achieve big things, right? So they want to lead a team, right? So they want to support the family. They want to grow. So very ambitious today's women. It's not like old time when they were at home only, right? Look at all, right? So you and company like Desi Guru is also giving opportunity because it's bringing work to your place, right? Or else you don't have to move to city. So these are great opportunity. And you know that I don't have to say that 70% of the women strength of the employees in the company is women only. So, right. So this is a great opportunity for you to grow. So if you leave from that comfort zone, if you come out of from that zone, it's like success, right? So somewhere down the line, if you can put that effort on a, you have to be honest with yourself. It has to come from yourself, right? From your comfort zone, honesty from your end, where how it will help you, what is the benefit. And if you can do that, if you realize that, you will be able to do that. Okay. So what are some of the tips? One tip is like write every day, right? Write something every day, include the new vocabulary words learned in the sentence. That is one thing, because I know you will not be able to do. That's why we are giving this vocabulary. So vocabulary, if you remember the comprehension, which was given as an assignment on Saturday, that had one passage was only on how to improve the language. And if you saw all the techniques, what we are doing in the class, the same comprehension was there. Okay. So write every day if you can. So what I'm saying is that if not every day, at least whenever you find time, right? At least weekly once or twice, you have it in your schedule. Include new vocabulary. So good part is that we are including the new vocabulary, meaning the words which we are learning, and you're making your own sentence and coming. So that is one way which is helping you. And this small, tiny things, what you're doing in the class, look at the confidence which is given you. Look at the comfort level which is given you. Look at the way you're able to talk, the way you're able to articulate, and look if you're able to do it on a long period of time, where you will reach. Just think. This is a thought for you, right? So this is something which can happen. Everything is practice. Okay. So, so include the new words of vocabulary, words learned in the sentence. Okay. So use that in the sentence which we are making every day, right? If writing in English is still scary for you, meaning suppose you're feeling that writing is a little bit scary, right? For you, an easy way to start is with short list examples, right? I don't think so writing is scary for you. If it is scary for you, you make small kind of list. It could be any list, right? This list, that list, or any list, or could be any other list which you want to buy, those kind of a thing. But I feel like you are making sentences. I know all of you are not scary. What is scary? Anyone who can tell me what is scary? Very simple word. No one?
So scare is fear.
Absolutely. Scary is fear. You all, I'm sure all of you know about this. Scary. I saw a movie, I was very scared. I saw a very scary movie. So that is what. So writing is, no one is scared of writing in this particular thing. Everybody are comfortable in writing. I'm sure about that, right? So that's something which you can do, right? Then what else you can do in terms of writing? So let's see what is the next point which we can do in terms of writing. Okay, one thing is that start by making a do list in the English, so which is not required if you're not comfortable in writing. I'm sure all of you are very comfortable in writing because you're making the sentences. Then begin writing your, maybe if you're not comfortable, you can start writing the grocery items, those kind of a thing, some online comment which you saw, something which you saw in online which you want to, you can write anything. Like speaking, you can speak instantly and spontaneously anything to yourself. Writing is also, okay, today's weather, let me write something. Okay, how's today's weather? So I write few lines about today's weather. Okay, weekend. Okay, the weekend which I had last week, what I'm going to write about this particular weekend. Okay, fine. So that way it is. Okay, then today's work, what happened in today's work? The movie I saw, what happened? What was the story of that movie? So this is something which can be done on a regular basis. So this will definitely improve. This is one facet of language. I completely agree. As I say, if you are not able to do listening and speaking more, that's fine, but do little bit, right? Maybe less quantity, but do reading more than writing. I will definitely say read more than writing, but write also, very important. Don't leave this habit. One thing which I can suggest to you, all of you, is that because any new word, I'll give you a tip now, any new word which you come across, right? What you do is that, I can write it here also, any new word after this session also, any new word which you come across, make a sentence. So don't leave this good habit. Any new word which you come across, that's a new vocabulary, make a sentence. Keep this notebook with you, make a sentence and go through that notebook and then that particular thing. So your writing practice can be as much as this much also. It could be just three words every day, which you can do it on a regular basis. Okay, so what I would do is that I believe this would be it for today, because we would have completed the 4 facets of this particular other things which we have. So we will do it. We will talk about this one tomorrow, the Pocket Dynamo, another thing, how you can search, what are the things you can do. So these are the things which we can do it for tomorrow. Now, I will also start giving the words for tomorrow. The participants who are here today will have 6 words who couldn't do yesterday because of the power failure, who couldn't join. And if you all can switch on your camera apart from Sushma as well, that will be great, because we can see others as well, because the slide is completed. So I have already given 2 words to you. So I'll explain those words as well. We also spoke about the group discussion as well, isn't it? Sushma, did we speak about the group discussion in the class?
Yes, sir. I think 2 days before.
Okay, and when did I say that we will be doing it?
I
Not
don't
yet?
know. Only this week.
Okay, so hopefully, okay, I'll announce this today. What was the topic which was given, Sushma, for GD?
Water, sir. Importance of water, I think.
Okay, so can we do this task on Friday?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we will do this task on Friday. Okay, thank you very much. So I have, I'm sure all of you are aware of this particular thing. So on Friday, I'll make a note of it. So let's see, on Friday, we would do our first water, the lifeline, right? So you have enough time, right? You have enough time. So today is Wednesday. We have another day, which is Thursday. So on Friday, we'll do this task. Hopefully Friday we will have complete strength. Then I'll divide you into 2 batches, and then it will be very interesting. So you will be interacting, and then you will be doing this particular task. So that will be great. Okay, so let me give you some words for today. So one thing which I already typed is like, I believe, did I type ambition? Ambitious, I didn't type. So let me do that. Ambitious is something, one word which I will type now, right? So I'm giving this particular word as well. I've given a word called scary as well to you. So please make a note of it, right? So that is another word which we can use. And so let me also see what is the other word which I can give you. Just give me one particular minute. Have I given a word reluctant? Have I given a word reluctant in the class? Reluctant. Let's given, Aarti?
No, sir.
I'll give you that word as well, reluctant. Okay, I didn't use it, but I used it in another class. I'll give you. So one by one, let me explain and make the sentence for you. So the first one is ambitious. I've explained about ambitious. So ambition could be ambition also. So as I keep saying, you can change the form of the word. That is, so that's up to you. So ambition. What is ambition? So ambition is like today's women are very ambitious. They want to have, they want to support the family financially as well. That's one. Okay. So there's a lot of words which you can do about ambition, right? Another thing is that Kalpana Chawla was very ambitious lady. She wanted, sky was the limit for her, right? So today's video, which was there on Dhoni as a kid was a very ambitious, bright sports person. Okay, so ambition. So what is ambition? The meaning of ambition is, what is the meaning of ambition? Ambition is like having a desire to do something. I have ambition, right? Having a desire to be successful. Someone who wants to be successful, powerful, famous, those kind of a thing, right? Ambition. Somebody who wants to be successful, right? So that could be ambition. If you want, I can also start typing the what do you call meaning also, right? So that can be done. Having a desire to be successful. So that is what ambition is. Okay, so ambition. Okay, that will give you meaning. Okay, that's one. So another one is scary, which is very the simplest one of all the word today. Scary. I saw a movie which was very scary, meaning which is like scary itself is giving a big clue, meaning scared. The word scared. It has come from the word scared, right? Scared is also same. My friend suddenly touched me from behind and I completely got scared, right? Suddenly somebody touch you from behind, what will happen? You become scared. So scary can be used scared as well. This particular animal looks very scary, right? The boy made a very scary face in the class, right? You should never be scared about the difficult task in life. Now, the scare I have made into a different one. You should never be scared about the difficult task in life. So, so you can keep on making. Very simple word, very nice word to have as well, right? Scary or scared as well. Okay, another word is reluctant. Does anybody know what is reluctant? If you don't know, that's fine. So this is a good word to have. And reluctant is meaning I don't want to do, meaning I'm very reluctant. I'm saying, come on, let's have dinner with us. No, so what you're doing? I'm reluctant. I'm a little bit hesitant. So it could be little bit hesitant also. Okay. And the hesitation, that's precisely what Google is saying. Hesitation, or you are saying, no, I want to avert it. I want to avoid it. Unwillingness, right? So it's like aversion, unwillingness, right? So these could be the meaning of reluctant, right? This could be the meaning of reluctant. I'm typing it here. Aversion is avoid. Hesitation is like hesitation. I am hesitating. I hesitate to speak in, I used to hesitate to speak in English. Now I don't, right? So hesitation. Unwillingness, meaning you don't want to do. Okay. Now let's make the meaning of reluctant. I was very reluctant to go for the movie with my friends, but I regret. I really enjoyed the movie. I didn't regret. I'll give you in the next class this one. Regret is another word. Does somebody know what is regret? I didn't feel bad. So I'll give you in the next class, not now. Okay, I didn't regret. So I reluctantly went for the movie, but I enjoyed the movie. So I don't regret. So reluctantly meaning I was a little bit hesitant. I was trying to avoid. I was unwilling, but I did. Okay. Then what could be it? Then he reluctantly agreed to the flat owner, the builder reluctantly refunded the buyer's money because the flat was not complete. So he didn't want to give the money back, but he reluctantly gave the money. Reluctant can be done, reluctantly gave the money back. That's another word. Okay, reluctantly. Okay, he's a very reluctant student, but once he gets into the flow, he's fabulous. Meaning, he doesn't start. What do you call? He doesn't start very positively or very willingly, but once he gets started, he's able to do fantastic job. Reluctant. So that is another word. Okay. So I thought about another word. These are the words I can give you in the next class. Initiate is another word. Regret and initiate I'll give you in the next class, because already you would have 6 words. Those who didn't come yesterday, so this would be enough. So I think we have done for today. So hopefully, touch wood, we will have our full strength tomorrow, because this is one batch where, like all other batches, well, where the attendance is complete. So so today again it's much better than yesterday, but we will be able to carry this on for just another 4 weeks, right? So let me also tell you, because another thing is that we will be also doing a few of the practices, some of the practices in the class in terms of the comprehension. Let me also tell you, your next assessment, we will keep you posted. It is not going to be on this particular Saturday, so you will have some more time, right? So do things, right? So this focus on your GD, which is very important. I shared the tips with you, right? Makes some good points and come, because those points will help you to engage and have a kind of a conversation with everyone. So that is something which is very important, right? So this is kind of a tip, right? So this is a very common topic as well, which we shared, right? And make this sentences which has been given. And so let's also see, like, we have complete